So explain why the activity of C14 in the dead trees decreases with time. One mark, right? We got a lot of space to explain one mark. Well, I mean, it's carbon 14 is decaying into something that's stable, right? The nitrogen 14, right? So as these go away, you have fewer of them, don't you? And so therefore, if there's fewer of these, since the probability per second of each nuclei decaying is the same, but you have fewer of them, right? Then it's going to be, you have fewer decays per second. That's what activity is, right? Activity is decays per second. Okay. For example, let's imagine that your lambda is 0.05, right? Let's imagine that your n initially, this is per second. So you have a 1 in 20 chance of decaying every second. Let's say your n is 100 to begin with. Chances are in the first second, your 5 of these will decay, right? So now n is 95, right? At 1 second, right? Well, 5% of 95 is less than 5% of 100, right? So it's going to be fewer until eventually you'll get down to like, n will be 50 or something like that, right? Well, it's going to be fully half. As n gets smaller, as these things decay, the activity gets smaller because what activity is what lambda times n. Okay. Anyway, explain that. It's only one mark, so